Hi, to send messages on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, firstly, on the bottom of the display near the phone app, you would see those Google Messages app. So open, and to start texting, you'll need to tap this bubble icon, and here you can manually enter the name of the person with whom you want to text, or you can just scroll through the list, or you can enter phone number of this person here. So I'm gonna select Maddie, and now to start conversation, tap on this field text message, and you can enter something. And to send this message, you will need to hit this arrow, which is basically for sending text messages. Now we can also check this emoji icon, so tap it, and you can select any emoji from the list to send. For example, if someone says to you bye bye, you can use this wave emoji and immediately send it or use it like a greeting. Also, here you can see this icon for attaching photos or videos. So in this field, you can immediately take a photo and send it, or here you can see photos in your gallery. You just need to tap it to select. And with the help of this way, you can select not only one, but more photos. You can remove some of them by tapping this cross on the top of your photo. And you can even add text under your photos like that. And after that, you should hit that button to send, and this is how it will look. Now we can also tap the plus, and here we can choose to send a GIF. So you can see many categories, you can choose something and find the perfect GIF for your friend. After that, simply tap it and hit send button to send this GIF. And now let's talk about voice messages. So you can see two icons for voice messages. One is under your keyboard and one is in this text field. So what's the difference? If you tap this button under the keyboard, you can see something, but it would be transformed to a text. Let me show you. Hi, how are you? So as you can see, it didn't record my voice, it just transformed it to a text. But if we use this icon, we can send voice message. Let's try this out. So you can tap to record a voice message. Here you can see its time. You can pause it, you can restart. And let's tap to attach, and now this looks like a voice message which you can immediately send to your friend. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.